0, 1. Let's get started.
अगर हम
Go cabin to sleep with pilots.
shall I go bluntly with this answer?
So, what is your salary? Hello, everyone. My name is Anshita Kenny, and this is my first podcast. And we have a very special guest today. So, we are going to have a conversation about aviation industry. This podcast is fully based on aviators. So, you'll only hear a conversation or listen and enjoy a conversation about cabin crew, what all is going on in the industry. So let's give a chance to Miss Sangeeta to introduce herself today.
Hi
Hello.
everyone, I'm very very thankful that she invited me to this podcast, and I like the kind of she made up the setup. Personally, I like white color, and she exactly chosen that
Thank
white
you so
color.
much.
So I can match my vibes already with this podcast. That definitely I will try to give my best information to all you people, whosoever is aspiring and want to join aviation. And I really don't have any idea what question she is going to shoot on me, but I'll
For your
justify.
information, guys, even I'm a cabin crew. I'll be completing 2 years, but she is a very experienced crew. She doesn't look, and she is not
That's it. Thanks.
young.
That's it.
She's not that young as she looks like, but she's very senior, and she's like almost gonna complete 20 years being a cabin crew and in this
Yeah, God
industry.
grace. God grace. In the
So,
same industry.
Yeah, so we are going to ask a lot of questions about so many years of experience and all. So you'll watch it. Anyways, let's start. Are you ready to start the conversation?
Yes, I'm ready to get grilled, hooked by you, cooked by you. So I don't know.
Okay,
Even so,
let's
I'm also
start.
coming for the first
Let's
time.
start.
Yes,
Feel
kind of
comfortable.
an aviation-based podcast. Nobody has asked me so many questions like on camera, and in flight I keep answering them, but on camera recording is a different experience. So
Correct.
let's
That's
face it.
true. That's true. Okay. So, what do you feel like? You are in this company for 20 years. What is your experience?
You yourself said it's like 20 years.
And it's a big number.
Yeah, it's a big numbers. Now when people like you, generous people, ask me that 20 years kaise nikal liye, then I start counting that okay, 20 years, tomorrow would be 20 years plus one day. Before I never used to count it. The life was very comfortable. The life was very in a comfort zone of my work, my traveling lifestyle, and experience is superb. I really like to fly. I love to fly.
You are also a vlogger, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
She does have a YouTube channel as well, and even an Instagram ID where she has a very good followers. And yeah, we'll mention her ID and YouTube channel in the description box, so you guys can go and check. So how do you manage your life, like being a cabin crew, vlogging and all? I guess so that's very difficult.
Yes,
What do you
that's
think?
difficult. But
Like,
you know,
yeah.
sometimes our aviation, this industry helps me a lot. It has helped me a lot
Mhm.
because basically my YouTube channel is based on a travel vlogger.
Okay.
And then I do my social media influencers. I review products. I do some ads also.
Mm-hmm.
And whenever I go for some flights, the destination where I land, I end up doing my work. There, I just take my camera, I go out,
Oh wow.
and I vlog the entire thing. I
Correct.
shoot with my very beautiful peoples around me. I come to know their rituals, their culture, and then I post it to my YouTube. So it's like एक साथ दो काम हो जाते हैं.
Okay.
Flight भी हो जाता है, काम और vlogging भी हो
So
जाता है.
you manage it.
Yeah, I manage it.
Is
And,
it stressful?
It is very
Like,
stressful.
Me being a cabin crew, even I know, like restless nights, you don't sleep for nights, days also, and you're just getting up and going for the flight. Very
Yes, it
like,
is,
It's
it
very
is.
difficult.
You know, maximum time what happens, I just reach my hotel, checked in my hotel, and then इसके बाद मुझे time ही नहीं मिलता. With the same makeup,
Makeup.
I go out.
Okay.
If some
Oh.
companion is there with me, I take them. If there is no companion,
Hmm.
if they prefer to sleep and take their own
Mhm.
rest, then
Yeah, because
definitely
everybody have their
Yeah.
own choices.
Yes.
You can't force them to like
Correct.
come with me.
Correct. So I just go alone.
Hmm.
And I was never being so scared of being alone or lonely. I just love my loneliness to vlog myself, whatever comes in my mind, I just record it. And that's how I edit. I'm the one man army. I edit myself, I shoot myself, I script myself, I speak myself, everything.
Good.
And then I post it. And yes, I do wanted to post more and more, but nowadays I don't get that much of time to post regularly.
Oh,
But
correct.
I really love to
understand.
connect with my audiences, their comments. I really like to read you people comments, and whenever you people try to connect with me, that please आप उसका vlog करो, उस destination में जाओ,
Correct.
या फिर
It
any
encourages
yeah
you.
encourages me. I go through that and I feel
All the
I
best
feel that
for
vibes.
your
Yes.
future vlogs. We would be very excited for your upcoming vlogs. Okay.
Subscribe किया कि नहीं वैसे मुझे?
हाँ, I've already subscribed you. You can go and share.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
So like each and everyone has this question. Like even 2 years back when I wanted to be a cabin crew, so even I had this question. So what is the salary of a cabin crew? So what is your salary? Would you like to share it?
Oh, good question. How do I
Like even
tell
I know
my-
now how it is. Like we don't have a fixed salary kind of thing, but can you tell like a fixed amount or how a salary does come?
Yeah, see, मैंने तो लाखों करोड़ों कमा लिए. Jokes apart, I'm just making a fun. But
Sarcastic.
so I cannot declare my actual salary on screen,
Correct.
but I can give an idea.
Mhm.
Like whenever the crew is joining any of the airlines,
Mhm.
we are being paid according to our flying hours.
Correct.
फ्लाइंग आवर्स मीन इन लेमैन लैंग्वेज आपको कुछ एक घंटे फ्लाइट में बिताने पड़ते हैं फ्लाइट के अंदर. अगर आपने उतने घंटे बिताए, आपने अपना काम तरीके से किया, तो आपको उतने घंटे का पैसा मिलेगा. सो सम ऑफ द एयरलाइंस दे गिव यू अ फिक्स्ड सैलरी फॉर 0 to 70 आवर्स. सम एयरलाइंस गिव यू अ फिक्स सैलरी फॉर 0 to 40 आवर्स.
Correct.
सो अगर आप ड्यूटी करते हो या नहीं करते हो, कंपनी विल मेक श्योर दैट आप उतने टाइम के लिए कंपनी के पास अवेलेबल है.
Correct.
अगर आप अवेलेबल हैं, आपने छुट्टी नहीं ली है, आप बीमार नहीं हुए हैं, या फिर वॉट एवर इज द पर्सनल रीजन, देन कंपनी इज लायबल टू पे यू दैट मच अमाउंट.
Correct.
And that 40 hours gets multiplied by per hour.
Hmm.
Suppose if your per hour, for example, is 1,000 rupees,
Hmm.
you are spending 1 hour in a flight, you are going to Bombay to Goa, 1 hour, and company decides 1,000 rupees will pay. Then if you are going back to Goa and you are completing 40 hours, then 1,000 rupees into 40 hours.
40 hours.
So that becomes your flying allowance. And on top of that, you get your house rent allowance, you get your makeup kit allowance, laundry allowance, then discipline allowance, then your sales commission.
That also depends on each and every company. I don't think so everyone has
Yes,
the same
yes. Some
policy or
company
same
they
thing.
yes, some company they are sale based
Okay.
company.
Yeah.
So if you sell something like there are many prestigious airlines are there like Indigo, they do sell on board. So then the commission is being counted on how much you are able to sell it.
Correct.
If you don't sell it, then your marking goes down.
Down.
Then how much polite you are with the guest, on that also you get appreciation. On
These
that
are
you
the
get
points.
yeah. So politeness has to be like in your blood, in your
Correct.
DNA in this airline.
Correct.
So like that we are being calculated for the salary, and we get the salary end of the month. And yes, it's a good salary. If your next question is gonna come that is it a good salary or not, it is a good
No.
salary. At least आपकी lifestyle spend comfortably spend करने के लिए अच्छा चीज़ है.
Okay.
अगर आपको और भी ज़्यादा salary चाहिए, then you decide where you want to
I
move.
want to
Bigger
go.
airline, smaller airline, abroad, India,
Correct.
wherever the packages differs. Every airline
Correct.
differs.
So this industry for the people who have just passed their 12th standard,
Hmm.
so they can easily get into this job. So what do you think? What suggestions you would give to the Gen Zs which we have today? Like each and everyone, if you ask today, they want to become a cabin crew. Like cabin crew is a big craze right now. You go and ask anywhere, they want to become a cabin crew.
Yeah.
So what suggestion you would give according to your experience of 20 years?
See, just now I covered that her third question. That second question answer was that the salary is pretty good.
Hmm.
So when the Gen Z ranging between 18 years to your 30 or not even touching 30 years, I don't know the exact range, But yeah, okay, now 18 years girls or boys, or when they get that much of good filthy amount, they don't know what to do.
What to do?
And that is the main reason people are now materialistic oriented thought
Correct.
process.
Yeah.
So they just want money, honey, that's it. Money or honey.
So is it
So it
glamorous or like the word cabin crew? It sounds glamorous.
Yes,
So
it is
It is,
glamorous. Yeah,
right?
it is glamorous.
But inside, what it is?
Yeah, so the glamorous, it's something like how do I narrate it, how do I give it with a good example, how you see us on board with a lot of makeup, with a tip-top attire and the attitude, a perfect attitude. Behind all those efforts, we are going through a lot of stress. Being a cabin crew,
That's true.
it's not only because she's also an aviator. I'm 20 years experience and she's almost flown for 2 years. So
Going to complete, not
Yeah,
complete,
going to complete.
but going to complete.
yeah, so she can also feel the hot flames under her in the hot seat, that how pressurized it is. So I'm taking that load for the past 20 years and managing the situation. And yes, behind are all those makeup and all the perfectionist attitude. We are being trained for safety, we are being trained for our security checks, we are being trained for our first class services, business class and economy class. So keeping a balance of all those departments and then portraying yourself, coming to an individual guest and talking to him with a nice what you call gesture, and be polite at the same time, not to get angry no matter the passenger आपको क्या बोलता है. You can't get angry,
That's
you can't rip a kid.
absolutely true.
So-
Whatever situation you be in, you have to be smiling like a
Yes, you have
joker
to
in
smile.
front of them.
So वो एज ए ऑडियंस आप लोगों को नहीं दिखेगा, एज ए पैसेंजर आप लोगों को नहीं समझेगा, बट इट्स नॉट ईजी. सो ये चीज़ जेनजीज को आई थिंक उन्होंने अभी तक बैलेंस एक क्रिएट नहीं किया है. उनको एक मेजर स्केल में पैसा दिख रहा है, उनको मेजर स्केल में डेस्टिनेशन, इंटरनेशनल, दुबई, लंदन,
yeah,
सिडनी,
only the fun part is being
Yeah.
shown
yeah,
out.
in the reels you can see, in the memes you can see, but वो भी पढ़ाई करते हैं. But yes, the experience will come with the passing days only. They will also understand that it's not an easy
Correct.
job. अभी मजे लेने के टाइम है, तो
Exactly.
हमने भी एक टाइम पे लिया है when I was in my
Sure,
20s.
sure.
So
Actually.
definitely.
Okay, so let's go to the next question. I want to ask you, like, was there any incident happened on board, like all of a sudden you went on the flight randomly and there was some kind of a situation and it spoiled your day or it made you happy? Anything like
Yes, yes.
like incident you still remember?
Yes, I cannot forget it because incidents रोज नहीं होते,
Yeah.
कभी कभार होते हैं, और जब होते हैं तब बहुत हालत खराब होती है, बहुत.
So would you like to
मतलब-
share that with us?
Because in a capsule cabin where you don't have a doctor, you don't have a fire brigade, you don't have police, you don't have emergency call, no
No.
network, nothing. Then you are the one-man army to show off.
The god.
And yeah, the god. For all the passengers, every passenger is looking up to you that what you are going to take the next action.
Exactly.
And कुछ भी करो हमें बचा लो.
Exactly.
वैसा होता है
Yeah.
attitude. So that time your theory and your training gives you a very good backup to take control of that tedious situation.
Correct.
So I got 2-3 very difficult situations on board throughout my career. It's like one was death on board.
Oh my god.
So one passenger died
Mhm.
in front of me. I could not realize. I don't feel like discussing it on screen. May
But like in short,
yeah, rest
you
in
want to-
peace, that person, that gentleman. But it was a very first experience for me. And being a senior most on that flight, I cannot show myself in a very panic and paranoid situation. I have to be very confident.
Correct.
And all my other crew were very junior, not even 1 month.
Oh.
And even the next incident also I was handling with my very junior most crew. So they were already डरे हुए थे कि क्या होगा अब क्या. They literally don't know that how to take their trainings in their control. Training में क्या सिखाया गया था.
Correct.
So that time I was again the one-man show. And the first thing, it was a 60 years old gentleman. He was quite old. He came in wheelchair. And the moment he came in the wheelchair from my main door, looking at him, I could get an intuition बोलता है ना, एक डेजा वू टाइप
हाँ.
इंट्यूशन आया. तो मुझे उनको देखने के बाद ही मुझे लगा कि कुछ गड़बड़ है, is he okay to fly? Then
yeah, like how we profile each
Yeah,
and every passenger walks in.
and the cabin crew is trained for the profiling also. We are the security guards on board. The moment you enter, now keep that point. जब भी आप अगला आओगे फ्लाइट पे, आपको देख के हम लोग पता लगा सकते हैं कि आप कितना परेशान करने वाले हो.
That's true.
या फिर आप कितने डिसेंट हैं, या फिर आप कुछ
ये हमारी
problem-
शक्ल से भी पता चल जाएगा.
या आपको
कुछ टाइम के बाद.
Yes, कुछ टाइम के बाद. So we keep an extra note of those profile passenger. And jokes apart, we are trained to profile, and good and bad, both the things we have to keep profiling. तो जब वो आए व्हीलचेयर पैसेंजर, तो मुझे लगा कुछ गड़बड़ है या फिर होने वाला है कुछ गड़बड़, इंट्यूशन था. And he was not traveling with any company or buddy passenger. So he came in the cabin wheelchair because he was not able to walk, totally immobile. Immobile means जो चल नहीं सकते, खड़े नहीं हो सकते, उनको असिस्टेंस की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. तो वो आके बैठ गए, हेल्पर ने बैठा दिया. अब उन्होंने खाना खाया, पूरी फ्लाइट 3 घंटे की फ्लाइट निकल गई, बात भी किया मुझसे, कुछ नहीं प्रॉब्लम था. द मोमेंट वी स्टार्टेड अप्रोचिंग टू लैंडिंग, फॉर लैंडिंग, then he put his fasten seat belt, what everybody puts it for the safety, and his food was there in the table, and he was sleeping like this. So landing time, long flight, people tend to fall asleep. So he also slept. So I thought maybe he's sleeping. And because his seat belt was there, so I did not disturb him. He was properly in a decent way. I closed his tray table and we landed. So the last passenger who deplaned, the last passenger told me, madam, कोई आपके forward के zone में कोई passenger रह गया है.
Correct.
Then because other passenger keep a note कि कोई उतर क्यों नहीं रहा है.
Exactly.
He was वो रह गया है. तो मैंने जाके check किया and I just called him up, and the moment I touched his arms, he just
Fell down.
yeah, his head was totally, I could really I can really feel those moments. And he was I cannot declare dead also because I'm not the right person, doctors has to declare, but I know inside what would have happened to him. So then I called up, I started doing my all trainings, whichever was told to me, that if somebody is found not responding, the pulse, the respiration is not there, as a first aider, we are trained as a first aider also, so what you're supposed to do. So immediately I was lucky enough, the doctor, paramedics was there available in the in the aero bridge, and they came rushing, the department entire came rushing, and he was just lying on the aisle because the doctor has to start their own practices, and then doctor declared that he's dead, and he must be dead by approach to landing, probably. So we cannot decide the timing also. Then I had to go through entire fill up all those formats and then folders, forms, company forms, and I was feeling very bad on that day. And then putting that white cloth on his face in front of me, I am in uniform, and he is covered with a white cloth. So that was his last day, and that hurts somewhere. No, in this experience, every day is not a very jolly day.
You gave your best.
Yeah, I gave my best. Thanks to my training department, and thanks to my discipline, focus, reading, that I was not nervous. हर एक चीज़ के लिए पढ़ाई ज़रूरी होती है. मैंने किया जितना करना था. Yes. So things are being documented in the company later. That was one incident, and the next incident was there was an unruly passengers on board. So she was a foreign nationalite, and she had a lot of alcohol. So she was not able to behave properly. So our protocol, our procedure said that we need to restrain the passenger if somebody is not following the laws on board. Let it be anybody, national or foreign nationalite. So she was hitting the other passenger, she was touching the other passenger, and that was also a Dubai Goa sector. And then my crew was so डर के मारे खड़े थे, मैं उनको कुछ बोल भी नहीं पा रही थी. तो मैंने जाके जिसको बोलते हैं लेमैन लैंग्वेज में हथकड़ी लगाना, सो वी कॉल इट एज अ रिस्ट्रेनिंग द पैसेंजर. सो वी हैव एवरीथिंग अवेलेबल ऑन बोर्ड. अगर कोई कैबिन क्रू की इंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं सुनता है, पायलट के इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं सुनता है, तो पायलट के पास एक अथॉरिटी होती है कि उसको
नेक्स्ट टाइम यू गो ऑन बोर्ड यू बेटर रिमेंबर.
Yes. So if something is objectionable, doesn't fall under the law, then we can restrain anybody on board, and we hand over them to the cops who are there available, the security staffs, and then they
अगर किसी के साथ ऐसा कभी हो, अगर हो गया आपके साथ तो फिर बच के रहना.
So she was hitting here and there, and she started she started biting and hitting my crew member also. So हमें ये भी झेलना पड़ता है. So then I restrained her, and that day I took help of 2-3 passengers, and because that lady was quite energetic, full of energy.
Oh my
it was
God.
difficult for 2-3 people also holding her. It was difficult, and the main procedure only I have to follow it. So I just did it like this. Hands were backside, and
then we even have to be careful whether he or she is not being hurt while
yes,
doing that
yes,
thing.
yes. We cannot
so then
hurt
again
him.
that will come on us that you have hurt the passenger.
Yes. So we have to make sure no injuries on her, and it is just to control that situation. If we leave her with her free hand, then she will start hitting everybody.
Correct.
She might start injuring herself.
Correct.
Then blood flow, all these things. So we want minimum damage as much possible. So I restrained her, and then later some passenger came and said that, oh, ma'am, everybody started clapping end of the flight, that she was
so
really
cute.
and I did not realize, and I was on my full energy level that on the count of 1, 2, 3, put her head down and just help me restraining her.
Correct.
And she didn't understand my language. I warned her many times. She crossed the 3rd level of violence. So I warned her, but she was a Ukrainian. She was not understanding English. So I have to take a help of the Ukrainian passenger, and then make her understand that if you do not obey her, then she's gonna restrain you. But because she was drunk, she was not able to take any instruction. So I had to do what I had to do.
Correct.
So I did it. And then
And for safety of a passenger,
Yeah,
you can't just
safety.
be
We are
on that
responsible.
one
Yeah.
person, right?
I take 200 passengers every day, now and then 200 going, 200 coming. So each passenger comfort and safety is my responsibility, and I have to give them their required, deserved comfort zone in the space
Correct.
as well.
Correct.
Then one of the passengers, he was deplaning. He said, "Madam, आपको समझ में आया? You just restrain a foreign national." Oh wow, wonderful. I said, "अच्छा."
Such a proud moment.
And I was thinking like that for me, sir, duty is a duty. That time I was really not counting on it कि मैंने
Correct.
किसको restrain किया है.
Correct.
मेरे लिए आपकी safety ज़्यादा ज़रूरी थी, but okay, it's good. I take your compliment. So that was the second incident.
Very
And
nice.
वैसे तो छोटे मोटे इंसिडेंट्स होते रहते
she
हैं,
did what
कॉमेडी इंसिडेंट्स
exactly-
बहुत होते रहते हैं जो हम लोग जाके अपने में बात करते रहते हैं. आज फ्लाइट में ये हो गया, वो हो गया. That's
Yeah.
like a de-stress capsule for us after the flight.
Gossip.
So it is gossip.
Gossip. And if you are coming in aviation industry, so gossip is the biggest thing what you'll enjoy doing, because that is the only thing which you left. Because after flying, if you get someone, your friend or colleague, gossip is the
वो भी
main
होती है.
thing.
Yes.
Yeah?
हम हमेशा काम
What do you have
ही नहीं
any
करते,
points on
gossip
that?
भी करते हैं.
Yeah, because all the time you can't be like working. अरे passenger ने चाय पिया क्या, non-veg खाया क्या, veg खाया
Yes,
क्या? You
yes,
can't
yes.
do that.
You
Right?
can't do that. We don't have time on board.
Exactly.
Yes.
Because you have to look everywhere, each and everything we have to look after. So
Yeah, true. But it's altogether, it's a fun, you know. Don't
that's
you feel
true.
like
That's true.
it's
That's
fun.
true. Flying is fun if you have a good set of crew. Yeah, good set of crew. What do you want to talk about it?
Okay, a good set of crew.
It just popped up like
Yeah. Think now जो भी मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस के बेसिस से बोल रही हूँ. शायद
we are just going to be natural whatever you're
yes,
talking.
it's
It's a
just like
conversation.
coming organically.
Exactly.
क्योंकि शायद नए जिन्होंने ज्वाइन किया है उनको अब ये समझ में भी नहीं आएगा कि गुड सेट ऑफ क्रू से मतलब क्या बनता है. Not only that with whom you're making reels, you're having fun, not like that. The group set of good crew, we understand when our roster releases.
Correct.
The moment we click on the roster and we check that A, B, C, D is our companion and I'm going to fly with her or with him, seeing the name only, sometimes we are so happy. Oh my God, she is a professional crew. She is a very hygiene, disciplined, knowledgeable, profiled crew, and then sophisticated crew. And sometimes कभी नाम देखते हैं तो लगता है कि oh my God, sharing our work zone with her, it's very difficult, very difficult.
Can understand.
She might fight, she might not politely come back to me. She might not tell her own problems or passengers issue. She will keep everything within herself. So these things, coordination, ये सब हमें बहुत देखना पड़ता है. So for me, जब मैं रोस्टर खोलती हूँ तो मैं देखती हूँ where does the combination of all the things lies in those particular crew. If everybody is very quite matured enough, experienced enough, तो फ्लाइट निकल ही जाती है, नो प्रॉब्लम, बैलेंस हो जाता है, सम प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता किसी भी एंगल से. बट अगर कोई लेस एक्सपीरियंस कोई आता है या फिर थोड़ा सा इमेच्योर मेंटालिटी से आता है, तो देन वी हैव टू कीप अ नोट एंड कीप ए आई ऑन दैट कि कहीं पे कुछ गड़बड़ ना कर दे, क्योंकि फाइनली सीनियर को ही भुगतना पड़ता है. तो वो तो है. सो आई एम ओके विथ ऑल सेट ऑफ क्रू until I keep a understanding within me that being a lead, my work is to give a good vibes to the other crew. If I get tensed, if I show my authority, my dictatorship on board, then definitely the crew will not understand, they will not like it, and I cannot break the ice. So I keep very cool and calm on board, and I'm happy that all the crew, they gel up very nicely with me. They come talk their personal things, professional things, and I'm happy. That's what I wanted. That don't keep me away from your zone. I am accessible to you. You can approach me so that the bigger problem I can see. That's what.
Okay. So we have a very interesting question. You might laugh or giggle, I don't know.
Chai, green tea पी रही हूँ, निकल ना जाए.
पी लो. Okay, so my question is, like, how you told you are working since 20 years, and then you might have your batchmates or someone with you. So I want to ask, do you fly with aunties or uncles?
Oh my god!
Like, do you have, like, she doesn't do justice to her age. I'm not going to disclose her age, by the way. But yeah, like,
जो smart बंदे होंगे ना,
yeah, they
सुन
can
के रखा होगा.
exactly.
They can calculate already.
Yeah. So, do you fly with aunties or uncles?
I really can't believe she's asking that to me.
But obvious, yeah. Guys, let me know in the comment section below, like, do you have these questions or not? Come on.
पहली बात तो see, disclaimer, age is a number. I'm not demeaning anybody of their age, but in this podcast, I can consider myself as an auntie because I'm so senior in my company that indirectly I can consider myself as a very elder batch who's training. Yeah, I take checks, I renew their licenses, I take examination. So I become almost auntie for them only because they come and they say, oh my god, you are so elder, I didn't thought of. So मेरे company में तो मैं बहुत aged हूँ, and though I don't look like, but other airlines, yes, there are some very experienced aged crew because we have a age lock for around 50 years to 55 years maximum we can fly.
Oh, really?
Subject to your performance, subject to your disciplinary actions,
Okay.
and subject to your looks also. Definitely, if
The way you're maintaining yourself.
yeah. Your weight, your height, everything has to be balanced. Your aesthetical looks, this has to be balanced. So अगर सब कुछ बराबर चल रहा है, then even if you're 55 years old auntie, as you call, still you can fly with your all glamour, with your all wings, with that poise, attitude. And yes, I'm also in this age flying very comfortably. I'm maintaining myself. I take hell lot of care of my inner self.
Correct.
My inner
that we
soul.
Can see. That we can see.
नहीं मुझसे भी ज़्यादा खूबसूरत दिखने वाले लोग हैं.
Yeah, I know, but right now you are in our podcast and you are the main focus. So, but
yeah,
obvious.
I really have seen very like my batchmates are there.
Okay.
They are really well maintained, and I do get some tips from them.
Oh,
also.
wow. Would you like to share some with them?
The tips of being look beautiful or like to fly longer. What?
Anything would you like to give? We are always open for gaining some or the other experience from you.
Once a crew, actually you will be always a crew. So like if you want to get a tips, my personal tips to look beautiful, don't deny your age. Be gracefully older, accept your age, don't keep on counting कि मेरा 18 जन्मदिन हो गया, मेरा 19वां जन्मदिन हो गया. Don't keep on counting. These things makes you look more mentally stressed. Yeah.
Mentally old, basically.
Yeah, mentally old. And don't think about small things which you are not able to avail it in your life. Just let it go. Go with the flow. अगर आपको एक चीज़ नहीं दे रहा है भगवान, तो डेफिनेटली दूसरा चीज़ से उसको कॉम्पनसेट ज़रूर कर रहा है जो हमको नहीं दिख रहा है.
Correct.
तो वो हम लोग बाद में जाके रियलाइज करते हैं.
Correct.
बाकी जो तुम्हारे ऊपर जो कॉस्मेटिक्स लगाना है, सर्जिकल थिंग्स करना है, नॉन सर्जिकल थिंग्स करना है, वो तो कोई भी करके खूबसूरत बन सकता है. बट इनर सोल हैज़ टू बी वेरी क्लियर, वेरी
Pure.
spiritual, pure, and then that will reflect on your face. That is like beauty tips. Now come to your aviation. If you want to fly longer, if you want to be in this industry for a like more than me, I really hope that people should fly more than me, and I should also fly. Then you have to maintain a very severe hygiene level, because we are every time with lot many passengers, lot many outsiders, communicable disease, infection, all these
Right.
things, allergies. We are using the same toilet in the cabin, which has been
Yeah.
used by many other people.
Yes.
So the basic hygiene, taking bath before flight, taking bath after flight, which I have followed through my entire 20 years of career. Then eat healthy food, because you are based on all this frozen food in the flight.
Correct.
Hotel foods, you go to many hotel, but you will miss your mama's made food. वो नहीं मिलने वाला. तो आपको डिटॉक्सिफाइड वाटर, आपको योगा, आपको जिम, मेकिंग योरसेल्फ हेल्दी एंड प्रॉपर स्लीप.
Yeah.
8 घंटे का
That
लंबा
we don't
नींद.
get at all.
Yeah, that we don't get. Seriously, we
Never.
don't get. तो जितना भी मिलता है ना, पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंट स्लीप इज रिक्वायर्ड. उसके
Correct.
टाइम पे आपको फोन आना, किसी का बेल, घर में घंटी बजना, यू विल फाइंड योरसेल्फ एट अ डे व्हेन यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग हेलुसिनेटेड कि घंटी आज बजा था या घंटी कल
कल
बजा
बजा
था,
था।
मेरा पार्सल वाला आज आया था या कल आया था, बिकॉज योर ब्रेन गेट्स प्रेशराइज्ड.
Correct.
तो वो 8 घंटे का सॉलिड नींद चाहिए,
चाहिए.
तभी जाके आप फ्लाइट में जाके परफॉर्म कर सकते हो. तो अगर आप इन सब चीज़ों को कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर सकते हो कि आप मम्मी का हाथ का बना हुआ खाना नहीं खा पाओगे, लोगों से मिल नहीं पाओगे, फैमिली मेम्बर से दूर रहोगे, और आपको ये सब डिसिप्लिन भी मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा, देन यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम टू कम इन दिस इंडस्ट्री. और आपको हर दिन में 2 बार 3 बार कपड़े पहनने पड़ेंगे, यूनिफॉर्म, डेस्टिनेशंस एक्सप्लोर करना पड़ेगा, उनके लैंग्वेज के साथ एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा, समझना पड़ेगा. एंड विद ऑल ड्यू रेस्पेक्ट, यू हैव टू गिव देम रेस्पेक्ट, दोज फॉरेन नेशनल्स और कंट्रीज जहाँ पे जाते हैं. यू कैन नॉट डिमीन एनीवन. You have to love flying, you have to love traveling.
True.
Then only you can live
If
longer
you like
in this
to
industry.
like explore new places, and cabin crew is your thing. That was the
Yes.
thing which I chose.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
so we
yes.
have another question for you.
Question खत्म ही नहीं हो रहे.
नहीं, बहुत questions है. Like I can keep
Oh my
on
God.
going and going and going. But yeah, I would say like let's ask you this question. So I need a pause. I forgot.
No problem. See, that
When you asked me, I was like, I need a pause. I forgot, like I literally forgot.
Okay, was my answer was so loaded that you could not take your question
I
with a
saw
load?
outside.
Huh.
I saw
And you got
outside. I was like, gone. उड़ गया वो पंछी के जैसे.
Yeah, because we had a good
Because
natural
when
vibes.
you,
No,
when you were
outside.
talking that time, only that question popped in my head.
No problem. I
Okay.
can see this is loaded
नहीं हो
diary
गया, सब
for
सब
me.
हो गया, ये हो गया. ये एक्चुअली एक ही इसमें मैंने आपको पूछा ना, उसी में कवर अप हो गया, लाइक द वे यू
अच्छा,
सेड.
okay, okay, yeah, okay. Because you know, I am little bit.
अभी इसमें नहीं है. अभी क्या है? Do cabin crew sleep with pilots?
Oh my God, such a direct question
What do you think?
on screen.
हाँ? So देखो मैंने पॉज बराबर बोला था.
Yeah, इसके लिए बनता है pause. Now
Okay.
I really don't know that shall I go bluntly with this answer or shall I keep
Like,
some
no, no,
filters?
because even when I wanted to come in this industry, even I had this question. कि like, do cabin crew really sleep?
Yeah. So this kind of firstly तो let me tell you, I really like to give detailed answer. तो शायद ये podcast थोड़ा सा लंबा जाए
जाए.
because मैं
It's okay, I guess.
Yeah.
Hope you guys are enjoying.
So if you're enjoying, please share this podcast to your friends
Yeah,
and subscribe
sure.
her
Please,
channel,
please.
my channel, and you must see also this kind of podcast she must be coming up with, and we are planning
Very
to make,
soon.
I think, if agar madam ke question na khatam ho jaye, she might go
I
with
have a
another
lot
podcast.
many.
Okay.
But we have little time restrictions because even she has a flight tonight, even I have
Yeah.
a flight tonight, so we have to manage accordingly. But
Yes.
Yeah.
So,
I hope.
so I don't want to put filters. So
Hmm.
rather, I will not try to give a blunt answer,
Correct.
but I will generalize the thing.
Hmm.
Now, pilot, every junior crew, new crew, aspirants who want to be a cabin crew, they come with this kind of insecurity and बहुत डरे हुए रहते हैं बेचारे कि ये इंडस्ट्री में सब कुछ होता है. We get hotel rooms, we are being left alone in foreign destination where we don't know the immigration policy, custom. कोई हेल्प नहीं करने वाला, उसमें से कोई आके अप्रोच कर रहा है, कैसे बात करें, हाउ डू वी डिनाई द पायलट or not to speak. I'm not comfortable speaking with the pilot, or not even pilot. It could be happen with some male crew also, that the female crew
Yeah,
is
that's
not
true.
comfortable
Correct.
talking. But then at that time she doesn't have that experience or that guts in her that to say no means no. So if I generalize the thing, it's not only in aviation industry now, guys. There is so many glamorous industry. We have many industries. I can quote the name. Better you understand the industry. Bollywood is there. There are so many other corporates are there. Things happen. Wherever there is a platform, wherever there is a place where unisex people work, it's a very mutual understanding goes, and then definitely there is a Me Too movement also. There is another part of the story. जब नहीं करना है तो नहीं करना है. तो not it's only that.
So it's like if you give your ungli and then only that person is caught in your hand. Is it like that you meant to say?
Yeah, of course. Like see, kabhi kabar you give your hand, the other person hold your hand and he doesn't leave. Sometimes kabhi kabar you are not giving your hand but the other person snatched it.
Oh.
So you should know where is the line to draw.
Correct.
So and that happens in every profession, every घरों में भी होता है.
Correct.
Not only in working zone, घरों में भी होता है. But things
Nowadays
doesn't come
we
up.
cannot really say
Yeah.
wherever we go we have
Now
to.
recently क्या हुआ कैलकाटा में? There is a very my God, it was a very bad incident, and she was a doctor.
Correct.
So just imagine, वो तो बेचारी पढ़ने के जोन से आई है. She is not even from a glamorous industry. She is just a doctor. क्या हुआ? तो जिसको कुछ गलत करना होता है वो कर लेगा. आपको मौका देना है कि नहीं ये आपके ऊपर है. आपको अपने से वाइब्स कैसे रखनी है वो भी आपके ऊपर है. हमारे इंडस्ट्री में भी ऐसे ऑफर कभी कभार गलत लोगों से गलत ऑफर आ जाते हैं, एंड इट इज टोटली ऑन यू दैट हाउ डू यू पोर्ट्रे योरसेल्फ टू इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट पर्सन.
Correct.
So we will generalize. It's not pilot, it's not actor, it's not some corporate boss. It's a general mentality.
Thing. Correct.
Yeah, and
This conversation I had to do with you because even like when I wanted to become a cabin crew, this question was popping in my head all the
But
time, like
obvious.
24/7. Because, but obvious safety is very main when you want to come in this kind of industry where you don't know anyone. You fly with each and every different crew each time you fly. So was very like insecure. I mean, even my parents were giving a thought like whether she should choose this industry because this was like came in my head, and I was thinking a lot while studying like should I go because I didn't want to caught up in such kind of things and call herself into a trouble. So she answered it very well, and till the date even I have not experienced this until and unless you don't give that privilege to that other person to come and do things to you. So if you have any doubts, please go ahead and comment down. If you want to ask any questions to her, please comment.
we'll make another podcast on that.
Sure.
because-
Like I don't know if I'm missing on something or you want to ask something, so you are free to comment down and we would really ask her again, and we would even get a chance to call her for the next time to shoot.
And even now also I have seen like the new juniors who are coming आके बोलते हैं कि ma'am please I don't want to speak to that captain or that crew.
Yeah.
I'm not comfortable.
हाँ.
Very slowly, very politely. So I do understand.
And they were like very scary.
Yeah, very scary. तो मैं भी उसी zone से निकली हूँ ना. So I was also 20 someday.
Yeah.
But
Still
God,
she is.
yeah. सो गॉड ग्रेस की टचवुड लाइक टचवुड हैवी टचवुड की मुझे कभी ऐसा सिचुएशन फेस नहीं करना पड़ा. आई वाज फोकसिंग लाइक बुल हेडेड टूवर्ड्स माय डेडिकेटेड टूवर्ड्स माय फ्लाइंग, माय मैनुअल्स, माय ट्रेनिंग्स, ऑल दिस थिंग्स. तो मे बी शायद कुछ हुआ भी होगा तो मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया, नोटिस नहीं किया. वो किसी ने ऑफर किया, कोई आया चला गया, तो मैं अपने काम पे ही बिजी थी. तो इसलिए मेरे इट इज़ नॉट लाइक ए हैवी हार्टेड कि कुछ तो हुआ था. बट आई डू एक्नॉलेज कि किसी के साथ कुछ तो हुआ होगा. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल. सो एज ए सीनियर आई कीप अ बैलेंस. आई ट्राई टू कीप दैट क्रू अवे फ्रॉम द अदर पर्सन. दैट मच आई कैन डू. And if also there is something happens later, then of course the aviation is a very very security wise vigilant industry. So if you report something that even after saying no, the person was disturbing me and try to do something nuisance, then the aviation, the airline particular department, they really take severe action and you can be terminated on immediate effect. You can be terminated, yes. Of course there would be an inquiry followed up, but it's a very serious thing to be looked after because but this aviation industry is based on more of air hostesses, female crew, less of male crew. So yeah, so the options is too much. So of course जहाँ पे कुछ अच्छा होता है वहाँ पे बुरा भी होता है. We have to understand that also. We have to go taking balance of both the things.
True.
So don't take all these things in a very what you call it in a very सीरियस वे कि अरे इस इंडस्ट्री में जाना है, कैबिन क्रू बनना है तो ये होना ही है. जैसे आप लोगों ने सुना होगा कास्टिंग काउच इन बॉलीवुड, होना ही है. ऐसा नहीं है. वी डू हैव मेनी एक्टर्स दो आर वेरी टैलेंटेड. They have never compromised for anything. So seems like we have in our industries also good cabin crew, experienced cabin crew or junior cabin crew. They have never had to compromise. It is not there in the dictionary anywise. It's a disclaimer, guys. It's not in the dictionary that you have to compromise. It is just a work focused based airline. Do your job, go to home, sleep, explore the world. That's all you need to do.
Okay, so let's call it a time to end. I don't want to end this because I still have a list in my hand of questions, but as she has a flight, even I have a flight, we have to stop. So if you guys are very much interested and if you have really enjoyed our vlog, please comment down below so that we come with a second part with your questions as well, and the questions which I am left with, that also I can ask her on the some or the other day which we get. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, comment down. Her ID would be also mentioned in the description box, so please do subscribe her as well and follow her and me as well on Instagram. So bye bye, tata, namaste.
Namaste. Thank you so much for all. Love you.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.